Hi, it's Caroline from Easy Recycling. I'm super excited today because I'm going to show you a very unique feature of the Longopac continuous liner system. It's a very thin virgin plastic, but it's incredibly strong. I could break it, but I want to show you how strong it is. Whew. There you go. It's half the thickness, yet 4 times stronger than a normal rubbish bag. It's more strong, but it uses up to 70% less plastic. You can also check out our dart drop test to see the comparison. So if you have problems with double bagging, splitting bags and mess going everywhere, or you just want an easy and hygienic way to manage your waste that uses less plastic in our environment, then please give us a call to see how you can save with Longopac.